Very first question, what is an earthquake? What is an earthquake? The answer, sudden shaking of the earth. Sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. Okay? Earthquakes take place due to the movement, due to the movement of tectonic plates. Earthquakes takes place due to the movement of tectonic plates. That is, either they collide or brush each other. What happens when an earthquake comes? So what happens when any earthquake comes? There is sudden shaking of the earth. And secondly, this takes place because of the movement of the tectonic plates. They are actually our earth is not in one part. If we say that the earth is in one part, no. It is divided into many plates like Eurasian plate, Indian plate, Tibetan plate. So it is divided into several plates. Like one plate is here, one plate here, one plate here. These are what? Plates. And when they collide with each other, collide matlab टकराना. When they collide with each other or overlap one another, so the earthquake takes place. And it takes place for a very short time period, but causes a huge loss to life and property both. And one more thing, earthquakes cannot be predicted. So the next question, how earthquakes take place, this is clear to you. The next question which we are going to write, that is, can earthquakes can earthquakes be predicted? So the answer for this question is what? No. We can't predict. We can't predict earthquakes. They can take place. They can take place at any time and anywhere. But actually, I tell you that these earthquakes take place where the regions are weak, because an earthquake arises from the center. जो earthquake जिस center से originate होता है, from where that earthquake is getting originated, that is called epicenter. What do we call that? We call that center. I think so you wrote all these three questions. Shall I erase it? Shall I erase the first one? Yeah, okay. The question number 4 is write the four layers of which Earth is made up of. Write the four layers. Write the four layers of which the Earth of which the Earth is made up of. So what are the four layers? That is called inner core, core, mantle and crust. These are the four layers. The inner solid core, the the four layers are first one, the inner solid core. The inner solid core. Second one, outer core. Outer core that is in molten form. Semi-solid we can say. Third one, metal. And the fourth on which we are living, that is crust. Which one? Third one, that is mantle. Fourth, crust. How is the in what happened? Okay, we will see. You just hear because I have to tell you one more. How is the intensity? How is the intensity of like one thing? What is the intensity of the earthquake? How is the intensity of the earthquake? Intensity of earthquake is expressed in Richter's scale. Is expressed in Richter's scale. Intensity of earthquake is expressed in Richter's scale. Next question. How can we protect? How can we protect against earthquake? How can we protect against an earthquake? Question number 7. What one should do? What one should do during an earthquake? What one should do during an earthquake? If you are at home. I will make you mark these answers in your note. Question number 8. What one should do, what one should do during an earthquake, what one should do during an earthquake if you are outdoors. Question number 9. Define static electricity. Define elect define static electricity. Last question. Write some of the natural phenomena. Write some of the natural phenomena. I will make you mark these answers in your book. You can mark. Question number 6. How can we protect against an earthquake? This answer you will get on the page number 176. Page number 176. The last heading is how can we protect against an earthquake? So there are 4 points. Any 3 points you can mention in that answer. The first one is the most important thing is to reside in buildings which adhere to earthquake resisting building codes. First, second and third points you can write in that. I am telling you the answer for question number 6. How can we protect against earthquake? Page number 176, the last heading, how can we protect against an earthquake? The first 3 points you mentioned in that answer. Did you get it? Page number 176. How can we protect against an earthquake? Okay? Everyone got here? Okay. Next question is our what one should do during an earthquake if you are at home. Question number 7 is what? What one should do during an earthquake if you are at home. So on the page number 177, just below to fact file, the fact file which is given on the page number 177, this you have to write in your note and prepare this diagram too. On the page number 177, a fact file is given that you have to prepare in your note. Fine. So on this page number only you will get the answer during an earthquake. Can you see? दिख रहा है? So during an earthquake, if you are at home, so you can mark any 4 points in this or all the points you write. All are easy and all are important also. Write all 5 points. If you are on the ground floor, close to the entrance, you can try to run outside. Usually once you start feeling the tremor means the shaking. It is too late to try to run down the stairs. You would jeopardize your life by doing this. If you are in bed, protect your head with pillow. The best idea is to protect yourself by taking shelter under a table or a door frame. Stay away from the heavy cupboards because things will fall down and may harm you. So all the 5 points you have to write in this answer. Question number 7. Then the next question, question number 8. What one should do during an earthquake if you are outdoors? Just below to that, there is an heading during an earthquake if you are outdoors. So only the 2 points are there which you have to mention in this answer. Only 2 points are there which you have to mention during an earthquake if you are outdoors. If in a car or bus and yeah. Okay. Then the question number 9. Define static electricity. The answer is on the page number 178. In the summary points, the very first point. Yeah, the first line is only the answer. Static electricity is the buildup of electric charges on the surface of some objects or material. Then write some of the natural phenomena. Some of the natural phenomena you can write like thunderstorm, cyclones, flooding, landslides, lightning, earthquake. These all are what? Natural phenomena. Any three or four you can write in that. Can you write that? Okay, fine. So if anybody wants to ask any other question or doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, everyone have a very good day. Take care of yourself and study well. Anybody, any questions? The question is what are tectonic plates, what is lightning, what is earthquake, how it comes, what damage it can cause. Any doubt I am giving you just 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can go through the question and answers which you have written. And if you have any doubt, you can ask anyone. Yeah. Okay, sir. If no doubt, then very good day. Then everyone have a very good day. Take care of yourself and study. Bye everyone. Have a good day.